Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Can-Am Ryker 600cc. Automatic transmission, ABS brakes, 2 front wheels. I think it's cool. It also has the accessory back seat for your passenger. Normally this is a one-person vehicle. This one's built for 2. Automatic transmission. Only 191 miles on this awesome machine. Come by, make your Can-Am dreams come true for just $79.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Auto Trans. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.